Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss command line argument. This is the last topic of your module 3, and after that we will start module 4. So what is command line argument? If you have any idea about Java programming, then you need to write some command like Java followed by the class file name. Suppose class file name is sum and followed by 4 and 5, and after that it will give us result like 9. Okay, similarly, actually this was the concept derived from C programming language, where you can type /sum 4 comma 4 space 5 and then enter. It will print sum is 9. Okay, so this is known as command line argument, and we need to use arguments in main program. When executing a program in either C or C++, there is a way to pass command line argument. Pass the character arrays. Each parameter separated by a space comes in program as two arguments. One is argc, the number of parameter, or count, argument count, and second is argv. So this is a string argument. Okay, actual arguments. Now here I had shown one program, that name of program is myprogram.c, and this is very simple program. Okay, here two parameters are there. Let me draw once. Let me write this program once again, or the program is already written here, so better. So this is our, and what is written here? The curly braces are there. Okay, and the program consists of integer main consists of two argument, integer argc and character argv. As soon as this program starts running, then what happen? And for this purpose we need command prompt. Fine. So this program, after execution of line number 1, it will start creating a variable. Its name is argc of type integer, and the second thing is it will create an one array of a string. Okay, so many strings are there, and the name is argv0, argv1, argv2, argv3, argv4, argv5, and so on. Okay, so this is the impact of line number 1. Now come to next line, integer I. It will create another variable, integer I. This is of character type. For I equals to 0, I is less than argc and I plus plus. Let us do dot slash, the name of program is myprog. So myprog followed by suppose I had given different arguments like Jasper, then Tarun, then Varun, then Mahima, Sara, and then press enter. So what will happen as soon as I write this, it will automatically store that here dot slash my proc. Okay, then Jasper, then Tarun, then Varun, then Mahima, and then Sara. Okay, so this is your argument number 0. This is your argument number 1. This is your argument number 2, argument number 3, argument number 4, and argument number 5. Okay, so this is array. Actually, we have not discussed the concept of array. No problem. Just try to understand it. Now, after pressing enter, it will automatically count the number of argument. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it will automatically store 6. Okay. Then this for loop starts execution. Initially it is 0 and it is running up to which place? Up to 6. Less than 6 means 0 because it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The maximum number is 5. So 6 times this loop will execute. And now the output is printf. Okay. From new line, the first line will be left blank, and from second line it will writing percent s. So what is replaced in place of percent s? argvi. So initially it is 0. For 0, it will replace argv0. So argv0 is dot slash my program. So dot slash my prog then is argument number 0. Then second it will write Jasper and 1. Then Tarun 2. Varun 3. Mahima 4. And Sara 5. So this is the execution in terms of command line. So you have any doubt you can ask. This particular loop will run from 0 to 5. Yes.
सर ये ऐसे प्रिंट होगा क्या जैसे आपने यहाँ ब्लू में लिखा है?
हाँ, actually it will print Jasper is argument number 1. Tarun is argument number 2. So I had not written 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now come to this. The same program is written here. Okay. The same program argc. Here I had written hello. Each word should be a unique argument. So this is the name of program. In this particular case, suppose this is the case, then how it will execute it. In this case, it is assumed that the name of program is .cla.c. Okay, and then if we start executing this, so initially it will start from line number 1. So it will use argc and then argv. Fine. So this argv is here. This is actual execution. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and suppose 8 is also given, and there are possibilities of many number of arguments. So if this program will compile, it will give you argv0, argv1, argv2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so after executing this line, after pressing enter, now the changes are like this: .cla, then hello, each word should be a unique argument. Okay, after pressing enter, it will automatically hold the value as 9, not 8. Okay, it will automatically hold the value as 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 9. Correct. Now, what will be the output? So here you can see that CLA is argument number 1. Hello is argument number 0. Hello is argument number 1. Each is argument number 2. Word is argument number 3. Should is argument number 4. B is argument number 5. A is argument number 6. Unique is argument number 7. And argument is argument number 8. Okay, because I had not used slash n over here, that's why this line is automatically concatenated with our output. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is another program, and this is a program for addition of two numbers. Okay. So let me show you. Addition of two numbers. So here we have used a special file that is string.h. Why we have used this file? Let me tell you. This uses a library function called a to I. A to I. What is the meaning of this function? A to I, and some character is there, and this is numeric character. So this A means character and this I means integer. Okay, so this A is taken from here. So this is character to integer, or you can say, or for remembering this thing, Akshar to integer. Okay, Akshar is Hindi word. So Akshar to integer. because it starts from A. So it is not a standard. Yes. Okay. Akshar to integer. Fine. So this function we will use later on. Let us start discussion of this program. So initially it will create one box ARGC and another box for ARGB. So this is our ARGB 0, 1 and because we need only two number of arguments and this is addition of two number. Okay, so what is our program, how this program is being written? So it will create this ARGC. Now integer A, B and C. So this is of type integer. Next one is of also type integer, that is your A, integer B, and last one is integer C. Okay, now if argument count is equals to 3, then only it will move here. So suppose it is assumed that this is correct. Now let us see in command line execution, and the name of program is CLI com.c. Okay, so after compiling this program, it will execute it like .cli com comma 45 and 47, then enter. Okay, so due to this, it will hold CLI com. This 45 is also here and this 47 is here. Now the question is that if this number is character, if this number is number, then why we need to use this function? Which function? A to I function. So the answer is that always whenever we are using this, it will automatically character array. Okay, this is array of character, this is array of character, this is of array of character. It will hold the string values. So we need to convert this into a number. Now after running this will happen and the argument count is 3. So due to this condition is true, and that's why A equals to A to I, that is character to integer. Now next line execution. A equals to A to I 45. Argument one is 45. So it will give us 45. Actually, this 45 is written like this, 4 and 5. And this 47 is 4 and 7 is written like dot slash C L I C O M. So this is known as character. It is not written directly. It is written 45 and 47. So that's why it is now converted into 45. And now come to B. B equals to A to I, then 47, and it will give us 47 in integer. So now the value of A is 45 and value of B is 47. Next equation is C equals to A plus B. That is equals to 45 plus 47. What is the answer? 92. So now 92 is written here. Next statement is printf. So this printf will start printing from here. One line is skipped, then double greater than I had written because it gives us command sort of thing. Now %d. This %d is for A, this is for B, and the last one is for C. Okay, so let us now use this. So what is the value of A? A is 45 followed by plus 47 equals to 92. So this is our program. It will not move to else branch. Suppose in other case, in some other case, let us move this program. This is one case, case one. Now case two, come to case two. Not equals to 3. So let me start writing using some other color. Okay. So dot slash CLI CON followed by 45, 46, 47, 48. Due to this, what happened? In the ARGV, it holds dot CLICON, then 45, then 46, then 47, then 48. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And with ARGC, what happened? It is 5. And in place of A, B, and C, it is left blank or some garbage value will be there. Now, after that, it will go here. So 5 is not equals to 3. That's why it will jump here. It will jump here and it will print. It will print. What will be printed here? Finally, after pressing enter, this will give us standard error invalid arguments. Okay. So any doubt related with this program?
No, sir.
So now everyone's task is that you have 6 minute time. Okay. And you need to create a program for factorial. Okay. So this program will run like dot slash factorial followed by 5 after pressing enter. So it will give us output as factorial of 5 is 120. Okay. So your time start now and this screen is in front of you. And yes, so I will come back to you. Means I am here only. You can ask anything. So let us start doing this.
सर इस जैसे बनाना है क्या प्रोग्राम?
क्या चीज?
ये प्रोग्राम दिया है ना आपने बनाने के लिए,
हाँ
सेम टू सेम इस तरह बनाना है?
हाँ, इसी तरह बनाना, कमांड लाइन आर्गुमेंट में ही बनाना। हो गया आप लोगों का? किसी ने पेश किया आंसर?
सर सर बन नहीं रहा।
बन नहीं रहा? कैसे नहीं बन रहा? बनेगा, आराम से बनेगा। ये स्क्रीन आपके सामने विजिबल है, इसको देखो समझो, ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाएगा। किसी का हुआ? जोश पर हुआ नहीं हुआ? शहोज प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो? फेल हो जाओगे सब्जेक्ट में। मैं एक बार बता रहा हूँ, देख लो आप लोग। ओके, सिंपल सा प्रोग्राम था। यहाँ लिखना है इंटीजर, इसके पहले इंक्लूड करना है, इंक्लूड stdio dot h and include string dot h, then integer main, then integer argc, comma, integer star, this is not integer, character argv। उसके बाद integer and left it blank, whatever you see, then integer n, the number. Okay, so n equals to a to I and argv 1. Fine, but before this we need to check whether the, but it is assumed this is initial level program, initial level. After that we will use validation like in previous program. Here we have used if argc equals to 3. So let us write in this fashion only. Okay, because we are strictly interested in two arguments. If argc equals to 2, then n equals to a to I argv 1, then for I equals to, and okay, so I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to n, and I plus plus. Now next is f equals to f multiplied by I, and then finally it will printf slash n percent d factorial of percent d. Factorial of percent d is percent d, comma, factorial of n is f, and then return 0, and finally this program halts. So any doubt related with this program? But this is not completed program. Okay, there are some errors also. So let us remove these errors first. If is started but else is not written. So this if is closed. Now else printf slash n standard error invalid arguments. And finally, this program will halt with return 0 and this will be closed. So any doubt related with this program?
सर इसमें से 2 आर्ग्यूमेंट प्रिंट होंगे.
2 बार?
2 आर्ग्यूमेंट.
हाँ, 2 arguments आएंगे. First is the name of program. Name of program is suppose fact. Okay, so dot slash fact and then argument is 5. So this is argv 0 and this is argv 1. And the counting of these two is stored in argc. Okay, so this is 2. Fine, 1 and 2. Any doubt? Any other doubt?
सर 120 आपने क्वेश्चन दिया था सर. फैक्टोरियल 5 is 120.
हाँ,
तो सर
इसको रन करवाना पड़ेगा ना, प्रोग्राम लिखना पड़ेगा. आप लिखो और लिखने के बाद रन करवाओ. नहीं रन होगा तो आप मुझे कल की क्लास में बताना. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
Okay, so let me finish this. Arguments are always passed to main. There must be two. First is an integer and second is character pointer to an array. So this is integer and character pointer to an array. First argument argv0 will always be the name of program. First argument argv0 will be the name of program. Fine. Argc will always be at least once, because if you run the program, it will always be at least 1. Okay. The last argument is always argc minus 1. So what is the value of argc? Suppose here 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the last argument is this. Argc will always be a null pointer. Means argv2 in this particular case is a null pointer. I will show you tomorrow. Arguments are always passed as character string. Number must be converted from character to. Arguments are always passed as character string. First thing, I had already previously told you in this slide that this is passed as character string. Okay. Now, number must be converted from character to integer, float, doubles, etc. So with this, we finish our unit number 3, and from tomorrow we will start unit number 4. So thus just try to write this program. If it is not running, then please ask me tomorrow. Okay. So